Okay, there's YouTube. So is my coffee warm? Drink temperature. Right temperature for drinking. Oh. Yeah, okay. Why is it over there? Alright, I gotta change my display settings. Hopefully it doesn't mess things up. Forgot to do that before I started the stream. This goes here. Why is the mouse like that? Spooked. There it is. Okay. And now I pop out the chats. Pop out chat. Pop out chat. Pop, pop, pop. Did you miss me yesterday? I was supposed to go to a restaurant for fish and chips with my family for a family outing, but I'm not allowed in because I haven't been vaccinated twice. I've only been vaccinated once. Is it really that important? I don't get how that works. I don't like needles. I wanna die. Why no second dose? Oh, it's my audio. Just actually no reason. It's like a bunch of different factors. Like I never do anything. It's rule 1, I never do anything, and I mean, I think about it. I don't want to get a needle stuck in me, and I have to go to a website and sign up, and then there's a day, and I have to go. I don't want to leave my house. It's lots of little things. It's lots of little nothings. Okay, so let's see. Let's start up the VM. Alright, it needs to have this one. Did you have CSS servers on bHub? Do you mean like self-hosted server? No, the servers we had were on Gary's Mod. I never really played CSS. Oof. Hello. Give me a sec. I have to click some buttons. Properties, buttons. There we go. All right, so. Oh, good. Yes, good idea. So yesterday, or no, on Tuesday I said, oh, I'll just do that tomorrow. Well, today's the day. I have to do that. And what I need to do is make it so that the runs delete before the map gets changed. Because otherwise you get these okay, so basically what's happening is the runs are being created before the timers are ready. So timer init is being called after the simulation has has called run prepare. That's all. That's all that's going on here. I need this to be over here. Yes. So I made the world timer offset work properly, as far as I'm aware. So that's good. It doesn't just like invalidate every run always. You just have to do an extra run. Okay. Okay. Why are there two noobs? Did Roblox change the way characters work? Oh my god. Does everyone on B-Hop look like a noob? Bruh. Classic Roblox. Okay, so I can't show you this, so I can switch to this scene while I code. Okay, so I need to actually, I guess I don't need to edit that code. All I need to do is make sure, yeah, no, I should be able to code and show you. All I need to do is make sure that I don't open up the module. Tamper module. Why isn't that perfect anymore? OBS crashed, and it seems to have selected the wrong monitor. How? Yeah, that's wrong. Why would it do that? That's so annoying. Okay, we're back. Fantastic. Good OBS crash. So why is Roblox doing this? Is there errors? Do I get errors? I get lots of errors. Is like Roblox down? Hey, okay, I'm gonna remove, or actually, what is the, okay, so it's set keep history, set time, set keep history. It's literally timer init. All I need to do is make timer init happen after the maps load. Before the map load. Before the... Yeah. Set time... Die. Waiting for the death run game Roblox. I might be a long wait. I haven't even started. I mean, 90% of the game is this update, but I still need to write the whole death run game, and I also want to do a shop update in between. It's on the schedule. I was thinking yesterday that I have never done this much work in my life. I've never worked on something this hard in my entire life. This is the hardest I've ever worked on any single thing. Okay. Roblox added, right, I remember that. I'm not gonna use it. Yeah, okay, so all I need to look at is basically simulation. When the map changes. Me, when the map change. Wow. Okay, so what is the functions? What the functions? Reset world is up here. Run start. And then reset is down here. Reset. Game mechanics dot reset. It just moves you into the spawn. Simulation control. Clear runs. Timer init. Set map info. Load player settings. I don't see a problem. Literally creates the physics after it creates the timers. How is it? Oh, it's because I'm using the. Oh. I see. Okay. Okay. I think I can just change this to this. Oh, this might actually be an easy fix here. Maybe. Implicit, which means it gets the current time, but that's just what I would do. It should probably all be root timer events. Let's do that. No. It's, timer member function. I don't remember the syntax. Should be like right up here. I doubt this will fix it, but alright, so nil to me now, and then T simulation set time 0. it was added yesterday. Huh. Okay, so these are the functions crack sound. These are the functions that I am going to do. Set time 0. Boop, boop, boop. Set keep history 100 t. Oops. Playback and then t world. And that should be it. But that's basically what it was already doing. So I don't see how it would fix it. Let's see what happens. Still throwing an error. Hi, bro. How are you? Today is nice because I think I know what I need to do to fix the problem that I'm having. Okay. Supposedly less error prone. What? Ah, we got a nice failed to do anything. Fantastic. Attempt to index nil with replication. Word. Forgot one letter. And there they are. They're still there. Look at the order. Playback simulation, simulation world. Oh right. Did I stopped sorting them. That's right. Could that be a problem? Do the parent timers add their... Well, those are all on the same timeline. Hold on. Hold up. Shouldn't that be in order? This... What? Huh? What? What? Should be in order. But they're not. Let's hit up add event. Insert events. Index event. Which should get the index after. Like a... Okay. Okay. But what if it doesn't? And then we go into timer tracking, add event, and and then you insert it into the queue. Less than or equal to. This could be problematic if the floating point number it calculates is slightly different somehow. Emoticons. Are you talking about my... I don't remember what they're called. Emotes. Emotes. Are they emotes? Emoticons. Full word. Oh. I missed it. How do I figure this out? So clearly it's running out of order. It's not supposed to do that. Is it because it's... I mean, it is on the same tick. Okay, let me take a look at the ordering during timer event. It goes like... hot play... Oh, it just goes in whatever order that is. Oh. Do I do the... I don't know. Oh, I am still sorting. Oh, is the sort messing it up? Jeez. How do I do this? Oh, I want it. So what I think is happening is it's calling clear runs, timer init, set map info in order, but this is all on the same time stamp. And then what happens is the ordering gets messed up during replication and playback. So it has some sort of sort function here, and it's messing it up. Either this or how would I fix this? So this is just any old order. It's just chucks every. This stupid. The stupid. This is stupid. Everything is supposed to work, but something is messing up the event ordering as it approaches the server. Oh, you're approaching me. I don't get it. How do I fix it? I don't have the hash. Do I have the table? No, I don't even have the table in the sort func. I'm gonna move this to right here. Wait. They're globals! That's funny. I can put these right here and I can use the hash ref. That's hilarious. Okay, so my timers don't actually have a depth. Would it matter? Maybe. If I sort by... Well... Followage. I don't know how many followers I have. Are you my follower? I don't have any bots or anything. I just stream for fun and for concentration, because imagining people watching me helps me stay focused. My bones. I broke my ankles. Your run was invalidated. Wow, that's really helpful. We're always watching. Exactly. Exactly. It helps. Thank you for your help. What I really want is to inspect the order at every step, but it's so like convoluted. The way that it replicates is so convoluted. What would be nice would be like an ordering guarantee, and not sorting just off the time, but also having like just an integer that's like, oh, this one is supposed to be before that one. What if I send it off like that? What if, okay. What if I grab, what if I assign IDs to everything that is put into the queues? Would that work? I don't know. Add event. Okay, so if the time is the same, it's supposed to, it should run in order, at least for each timer individually. I'm so my brain. Assign IDs. So this is an ID system is sort of what I wanted, so that it doesn't have to rely on the table insertion to retain the order. Like, I wrote it to try to retain the order, but clearly it's not. And I would have to check like 5 different places and like debug every single one, and then be like, oh, that's not it. No, that's not it. And then it's also like really hard to verify. Maybe I should just do that. Do I need IDs? It's extra networking, and extra networking is always bad. I'm gonna zap my coffee. It's cooling down. Almost daily streams. Daily from Monday to Thursday. Except this Wednesday. And except last week. hip. Advance. That just marks the index. So it goes through the event queue, one event at a time. A run event, all run event, camera event. Oh. Okay, this is playback. Okay. Okay, this is just playback. That's a little bit warmer. I need the. How do I verify it? Run timers. That is a function in timer events which okay, advance adds it to the queue, and there's no questions that this preserves the order. Does it? I started web coding. Are web developers real programmers? I love when you can do stuff like this, where it just calls a bunch of member functions. Okay, so it adds the events to the queue just like that. So there's no questions that this preserves the order. If you don't use insert programming language, you aren't a real programmer. True. What? What? Roblox Roblox is kind of a scam, scamming their developers. Oh, that was an interesting stutter. Okay, so I'm just, remember how I said I was gonna go through like the 5 places that that the replication happens? Well, this is the first place, and it appears that it retains the order. So the next place would be the queue. Timer up. Okay, let's look at it. Let's look at it. It just whoosh, grabs the queue and replicates it. It's like, there's your queue. So, assuming the events go into the queue, retaining their order, which is related to timer tracking. Where's timer tracking? Right here. Assuming this retains order when it inserts into the queue, which it should. I don't know. It should, but I haven't checked it. I need to check it. How do I check it? Oh. The timeline history doesn't exist. I guess I can. I guess I know. Like I can use these 4 events. Okay, I have an idea. Okay, if I flush the queue. Ha! Okay, I'm gonna print when I flush the queue. Timer tracker flush. Right here, I can go like 4 I equals no what number q. Q equals self.q. Okay, so I'm just gonna print it right here. I'm just gonna print it. I don't care. Q do if I don't want to include sorting data. It should just keep the order. It just okay, but well, what if they're at different levels? Your run was invalidated. If okay, so we got the event. Event equals Q I. If the event is exactly set keep history. Or should I hash table it? Whatever, I'll just hash table it. I don't care. Local h set keep history equals true. Set time equals true. True. H Then, why would you suggest that? That's so stupid. Then we print Q print event time equals no timer member function. One, two, three, four. Four. Do you have people that help you? Not with programming, no. There's a thriving map making community. Absolutely thriving. Just kidding. I never add maps to the game, so they kind of fizzle out all the time. I really need a official map adding system. Qprint. Wow. Oomba, boomba, boomba. How do I do this? I'm looking for ga, goo, ooga, ga, googa, googa, goo, timer. Self.timer.events. Okay, self.timer.label? No. Get timer. Target timer. Ugh. Equals. Do I really have to nab this function? Timers. Blah, 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 blah. Blip, blop, blip, blop. It's right here. Target timer ID. So stupid. That's so stupid. Whatever. I don't know, man. Do I need the name? Kind of do. I mean, I can print the ID should give it away. They'll be like, okay, I'll just print the ID. Event 3. Whatever. That's good enough. We'll print that. So now when it flushes, I can see whether the queue had the same order as the input. I'll see if this is where they're getting out of order. If this is the step. Wait, the characters work now? It was just Roblox being Roblox? Okay. Think. I'm just gonna not send him a message. Alright. So we're gonna restart the server and see what the queue flushing prints. Lag. It's going to print lag. Okay. So in here, it says, haha. Look at that. That's an order. So in my code over here, I go set time, set keep history, set keep history, set keep history. And this timer ID is the same as this one. And this one is a larger number, and this one is a larger number. And then on the console, it goes Same ID, larger number, larger number. The queue is in order. The queue retains the order. And then we can see here on the server, the order is not retained. The set time should be first, set history on the simulation should be second, playback third, world fourth. That should be the order for those events. And when those events are in order, all the other events probably also will be in order. Why? Do I just have like a global finalized timeline? No. The playback events include the run prepare. Oh, what happens if I don't sort? Let's just see if it's the sort right now. We'll just go like, don't sort, and then see if it's the sort. What are you doing? Go on homepage and refresh. What? All right. It's the sort! Right away. That's it. It's the sort. What the scallops? Oh my god, the problem is it's so bad. What the heck? So it's related to the sort? Why is it related to the sort? No, dude. No, there can't be problems. I can't be introducing these. So the is it all related to? Is there like server errors or anything? No. Okay. Okay. So it's the sort. The sort is causing, ironically, wrong sorting. But now I also have this terrible problem where it stutters everywhere. Sometimes. It just ignores the mouse occasionally. And the problem is worse without the sort. Ugh, That is disgusting, and I need to figure it out before I publish. That is very unfortunate, because that's going to be a difficult issue. Ugh. Okay, but it's still printing those problems when the map changes, even though it's in order. Simulation is behind, right? Hold on. Set map info. So timer init, set map info. Would that make it negative? Set map info? What might be happening is the timers are ahead. So it makes a new physics at so that would literally make events at 0. Which I need these events to happen first. Do you be your fee? I don't know what that means. I expect some sort of niche culture reference. Why would it cause like insane stuttering? It's fine right now. Nope, there it is. And it's gone. Insane. How do I guarantee that the timer in it is before? Right. I could just make it have nothing to do with timer events, and it would just create the timers with the settings that it needs. It only needs that local. Gosh, it's so terrible. I can't think of where in the input pipeline the stuttering is coming from. Could it be... current time not updating? Not really, unless there's unless it's silently failing. This makes me want to put the argument straight into the I'm just gonna do it. Well, actually, no, I don't have a timestamp, so it doesn't really work. The new timer does not include a timestamp, and the timer replication just replicates it immediately. It just fires it off with no... Offset would work. If instead of set time I did offset. Okay, so if I did scale, offset, keep history as the initialization arguments, that would work. So scale, offset, keep history. This is bad solution, but I think it'll work. Replicate timer. That would have been a terrible mistake. Insane. Okay. So this was one of my other solutions. I really don't like it, but it kind of makes sense to initialize the timer with a certain state. So, timer added. Sheesh. Don't like it. Oh, that's the server. I have no idea if this is gonna work. So instead of having these events, it's just built right in. But this also means that the default should... Scale, offset, keep history. Oh, yeah, well, yeah, that's what it should replicate with. local. Oh, I'm really stretching what should happen here. Default keep history should probably be 0. If I'm completely honest. Oh, wow. Does this mean I don't need root in it? No. Roblox is down. Nice job, Roblox. Set keep history 0, you say? Oh, you say. Set keep history 0, hey? Okay, I won't have the default. I'll just put the nil everywhere. Nil this, nil that. Nil. Nil, 0. Nil. 0. Okay. How about that? What's gonna happen? Will I even be able to upload? Nobody knows. Shut down. That worked. Alright, well, how about that, eh? I just fixed it. All I needed to do was send a state. Let me sort. Put the sort back in. Well, I need to fix the stuttering. Alright, let's see if it tells you to go die if the map switches. Ooh, it doesn't. Anti-Tamper! All I had to do was go against my own principles. So this is horrible. The stutter is absolutely horrible. It must be stopped. And I don't know what it's coming from. This is going to be a hell of a debugging. Nice. I just had to combine my original plan with some other stuff. Should I change the argument order? Keep history. God, the stuttering is unplayable. Okay, so that worked. That was my first run on the map change, and the anti-tamper didn't prevent it. Hey, Diamond, I just fixed the problem that with the anti-tamper. The anti-tamper works perfectly as far as I'm aware now. So if you go like, time scale 0.5, it'll be like, you're dumb, actually. And then if I go like time scale 1, no, it's not invalidated. I should probably have it on the HUD as to whether or not it's invalid. So now I need to fix this horrible stuttering. You can see it, right? It's something to do with the timeline and the sorting. Sorting the timeline appears to make the stuttering less bad, but still is there. I'm not sure where to start in order to fix it. All I had to do to fix the anti-tamper was go against my timer principles and construct timers with an initial state as arguments. So it's not the best of solutions, but it works, and there's no timeline pollution. Yeah, I guess it makes sense. You finished the map. Wow. Maybe I'll just like dive into the camera code. Is it related to that? Age. Okay. That actually might be the problem. Right here. Let me try that. So that's for fixing wormholes. That might actually be the problem. It's supposed to be in order, but bro. Let's see. Should we also see it? Yeah. I don't know. Okay. I don't think that fixed it. I mean, it seems better. Are you running Roblox FPS Unlocker? 60 FPS. It's very hard to notice when I'm running at 60 FPS. Okay, it's not. am not really seeing it. Oh, there was one. Oh, there it is. There it is. Yeah, no, so that wasn't the problem. Wormhole fix is allowed to stay. Okay, and the aging only has to do with the camera roll, I guess. So that makes sense why it wouldn't. Um, uh, right, if I'm just like jumping around, it shouldn't ever print basically. Did I even publish? I think I did. Still happening. Is it? Ooh. Okay, I gotta remove the Q printing. Yeah, I don't think that is what it is. As much as I would like it. I'm looking at my cursor to see if there's any stuttering. Okay, it's... As far as I can... Ooh. Okay, let's see if it appears on the platform here. If the cursor is stuttering, maybe? It might be a me problem if it's the cursor stuttering. But it... No, it wouldn't be. Well, I guess it could be. If the cursor fails to change position, then it's a me problem. But that doesn't happen on Apex. This cursor position is so inconsistent. I'm looking at it. It's like... It looks like it's... missing... It might actually just be... I don't know. I don't know. No one else has it? Because, like, it feels like the physics keeps running, but the well, why would I not feel it on Apex and other games and everything if it was the mouse? It's also kind of hard to try it on a different mouse. I have to set it up in EVDev and everything. I don't have a physical USB port for my mouse to Roblox interaction. Well, Roblox does not directly interact with my mouse. Roblox is receiving whatever Windows is giving it, and Windows is receiving whatever QEMU virtual machine is giving it, and QEMU is receiving whatever EVDev Linux driver is giving it, and EVDev is receiving whatever the Linux kernel is giving it, and then the Linux kernel is receiving whatever the mouse is giving it. It's a long chain of events. It's pretty impressive that it's such low latency. Is your FPS the same in Apex as it is in Roblox? Now it is. Before I got a new graphics card, it wasn't. The week that I took off and you didn't see me streaming, one of the reasons I didn't stream on one of the days was because I spotted a graphics card in stock and rushed out to buy it. So I have a new graphics card. It's a nice one. I'll show you the box. It's that guy. Kind of looks like when my mouse was dying. Yeah, it is possible that would happen. So all my Apex FPS frustrations are gone. That definitely solves all my few performance issues that I was having. You know what? Okay, well, I mean, 3080 Ti, yeah. So hard to get. I've been trying to get it for a year. Okay, my entire PC is literally a 3080 Ti receptacle. I built the entire thing around the concept of a 3080 Ti. I built it a year ago. I waited for it to come out, and then I waited for it to be in stock. And finally, a year later, my build is complete. It's so bad, dude. I swear that I don't see it on anything else. I'm gonna look for it. The sort function is off right now. And it looks to me like that causes a lot of problems. Do you have a Logitech mouse? Yeah. The G Super Light something something. Yeah, that's so bad. Okay, maybe I'll make a little screen indicator that tells me whether my mouse is moving. And I'll use like the wrong cursor position. Screen indicator. Okay, let's do it. Oh, I'm on the wrong scene. Unfortunately, because I'm a god, you can still see everything. Okay, local obtain equals g dot obtain. This will help to see if the control input is causing it. Like, I don't want to spam the console because like, I have the console open while I'm behaving, so I need just like a thing to show up when the mouse isn't moving, according to the game controls. Okay. Visual indicator debugging solution area, but I didn't think you'd actually do it. Yeah, well, I don't like making GUIs. This is like a last resort. How should I display it? What do I use for the HUD to render? I think I use think. Alright, I'll just whatever. Okay. Last x equals 0. Local actually that's order. I'm gonna save this as move indicator dot lol. Local keybox equals keybox game control. I think it's that. So let's check the HUD. Oh, I don't use it in the HUD. Show keys. Game control. Yeah. It's just like game control.x, right? Get input. Right, this is supposed to work with spectate. All right, let's look at the game control script. Game control. So I'll be able to see if this is an input issue or a timer issue. Game control. Game control dot game controls. So am I looking for bind game controls? I think I am looking for bind game controls. That's kind of silly. Yeah, so there's the controls. Okay, I'm looking for bind game controls. A Roblox surf. Yeah, dude. Controls equals bind game controls dot controls. Okay. And now I make a little GUI, be like, oh, indicator equals qbox.new. Just like that. And then I'll do a little square in the middle, like, I don't know, 100 by 100 or something. 55, it doesn't have to be very big. Indicator dot size offset x equals 50 pixels. Indicator dot size offset y equals 50 pixels. Indicator dot pause offset x. Oh no, pause scale x equals middle of the screen. Indicator dot pause scale y equals middle of the screen. And then we do indicator dot think equals function equals controls dot mouse x. If wait a second, I already have something like this. Show keys. I'm literally writing show keys. whatever. I'll just keep making it. I think I'm writing show keys. If this does not equal last x, then I just leave it null, I guess. Indicator dot background transparency equals one, else indicator dot background transparency equals 0. Whoops! I accidentally wrote. I accidentally wrote show keys. Okay, let's publish it anyways. And it's not there. Error? What? Okay, so AAA is still there, which just means this is an old build. Yeah, it's an old build. Okay, why is it an old build? Some Roblox services are still down. Well, I think that show keys is the same. So if it doesn't ever give up, and if I see it stutter and it doesn't give up, then it kind of looks like it's not giving up. So that means it's not an input issue. If the show keys is properly Yahoo! Well, nice. Look at that. The game doesn't print those anti-tamper messages anymore. Well, isn't that nice? That's nice, dear. Ain't no anti-tamper messages. And we got those anti-tamper messages. I can check that off my list. Let's do that right now. To-do list. I can go like to-do. Properties. Detect timescale. Done! Woo! Server is breaking. I'm seeing stuttering via spectate. You're seeing my stuttering. It's I think it's related to the like simulation input timelines and the whole like input system. Something's happening where it's like out of order or causing some sort of issue. I need to... that's what I think. I think it's some sort of game bug. My fault. I'm starting to understand the hitbox. What? Woo! Wait, does that work? Do you go like... What? Maybe it does. Can you just like... Go... Let me in. Alright, so I go like... Okay, that... I don't know. Okay. Well, I fixed a bug today. Bug fixed. It's only been an hour of streaming. Or actually, the stream crashed. So it's been a little bit longer. Let's check YouTube. YouTube says... an hour and 40 minutes instead of an hour and 30 minutes. Crashed 10 minutes in. It's really inconsistent and hard to tell if it's just frame lag. Exactly. That's the horrible part of the bug. Or whatever it is. Alright, do we think Roblox will allow me to upload the place now? Oh! Oh, it says failed to start Roblox API client. So yeah, it's not publishing. What the hell? We can't see chat in game. I see. So this it's because the sensor is posting an internal server error. Nice. Glad I relied on Roblox for that. Notice A. I think that is a pre-censored word where I never censor that word. It's just like a whitelist of words that are allowed. I have that allowed words list. It's so horrible. Oh. Now it's saying it's a control input issue. Okay. Okay. Why is it worse when the sort... Was that just like... confirmation bias. Okay, so now it's showing something different where it and now, oh, maybe it only happens if the mouse was first. So if I have to move the mouse first. Oh, okay. So if the mouse is second, it's like, huh. Mouse broken. So that would be why. Oh, that was gonna be so hard to debug. I'm so glad it's me. Like, I would have to like stare down the entire input and simulation pipeline, which is a mammoth ball of code. Just a list of things to just stare at and be like, why isn't it working? What is it then? Like, why? Is it just Roblox? Because like it only happens on Roblox. Maybe it's just Roblox and the VM. I don't know. Oh! Update is finished! Except for the bots. Bots! Have you tried on something? Nope. Nope. Never tried on something else recently. I guess I could, like, whip out my laptop and be like, hey, I'm playing on my laptop. Alright, well, that is a control input issue. Yeah. Oh, I see those control stutters. Okay, so it's literally a control input issue. So that means it is the mouse, excuse me, binding event or above. Yeah, so it's not the simulation. Wow. Wow. You're just standing still, doing nothing. You gotta play the game. Imagine not zooming to look at that. Well, did you really expect to land on the platform? That was an insanely early jump. Are you stupid? I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. Can you still jump on the car? Yes. And then jump on the top of that box? I think you can. You should do that on stream. Like try my laptop? I don't feel like it. Control F6. Okay. Your DPI is too low. You can see the control input flashing. If it's not solid, your DPI is too low. You need to use a higher DPI and a lower sensitivity to you'll actually gain more speed. You need to make sure that the polling is saturated with new data. The only way I can change DPI is in Windows settings. You need a new mouse to be out better. Your DPI is too low. Pay to win. Yeah. You need higher DPI. Oops. What is the anti-tamper fix-up? Are you okay? I'm the only one here and you're basically talking to yourself. There's a Twitch stream. The Twitch stream has lower latency, and I'm mainly responding to the Twitch chat. Yes, YouTube is in 4K, but Twitch has lower latency. It's more like a live stream. There's more people watching there, I assume, for that reason. The anti-tamper. What is anti-tamper fix-up? So at the start of the stream, when the map loaded, it would print anti-tamper messages. So look at this. If I go like, I'm gonna time scale 0.5, it goes, that's not allowed, sir. GUI scale 2. It says your main run has been invalidated. Timer simulation modified set scale. So, like, obviously I'm cheating right now. I'm time scaling. So what the anti-tamper does is it makes it so that you're not allowed to use the built-in tools to cheat, which was entirely possible a couple weeks ago. You could just cheat. Okay, so interesting. When I press 2 keys, show keys doesn't respond, but if I go like this, it does. Is this going to fix pause? That is a huge understatement of this update. The pausing was exploitable in the old game code. This update I have been writing for the past 6 months. I've rewritten the entire game. So yes, it looks like the pausing is fixed. Like you can see when I chat now, it's paused, and I can also do pause and then play, unpause, and that works. But that's just because the new system, it's like literally new code. I rewrote the entire game. So mentioning about anti-tamper and asking that. The anti-tamper, all it does is prevents you from time scaling and setting the time for your timers, basically. It's like, hey, you're not allowed to do that. That's against the rules. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How do you manage to do live updates to the game? What do you mean? Who's sending me messages? Save the script, and it'll be there. Already published in my version to the game. I use a custom piece of software to publish it. UI scale default. Doge, are you still here? Can you like bypass the anti-tamper? I guess you can literally replace the tick, but that will be detected by the anti-cheat. Oh, maybe I should hook up the anti-cheat functions next. Or, so next week, it's Thursday. Next week is bots week, I guess. I hope it's bots week, because like that's the last thing needed for the update. I'm glad to find out that the stuttering that I'm experiencing is a control input issue and not a simulation timeline complex issue. It's simply just like either my mouse or my virtual machine or Roblox, some kind of interaction is making it stutter. And because it just says, hey, your mouse stopped moving on my GUI. So it's literally just my mouse stopped moving, which is exactly what it feels like. You said for the past 6 months, for the past month? Isn't that the time frame? Like, it only increases to 7 months after a month. So if I've been saying it for a month, that's still correct. Got him. What I need to find out is the start date, and then I can say like since this date, such and such date. I'm gonna do that right now. Let's see. I'll open up my little streams playlist. All right, bring it over here. Really? Okay, so I have to scroll. I have so many streams. Designing moving platforms API. Modular timers. Is that it? Modular timers? Trust system. That might be it. Dyson Shear program. Character models. Yep, I think that's it. Modular timers. April. Woo! The beginning of the update. What's with the dislikes? Was it on stream? Someone's like, dislike this stream, and then everyone's like, oof. That's really the only way it usually happens. Someone mentions it, and then it just hive minds. Funny. Your run wasn't validated. You have invalidated your run. I should. I think should I just like put it after the time? I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna. Okay, April 8th is when I started this update. Why is that like weird? HUD. Let's open the HUD. HUD. And then I can do top time at text. Timer time. And then I can do run data dot invalid. I guess I can. Okay. If run data dot invalid, dot valid, false. I'm gonna get like an X. Let's see what happens. X. Okay. What? Oh, is it gonna publish? Please publish. Bobucks. I want to see the big X. Okay, so that should tell you when your run is invalid. It'll be like, but it'll still tell you what your time is because it's nice like that. Ignore the noob in the background having a seizure. It is the control not changing. But it still could be my fault. It also could be the mouse fault. Could be. Hey guys, you want to see Doom RTX? I'm horrible at singing that. Wow. I really want to publish this change and see the big ol' X in the HUD. It'll also print that when you enter a anti-cheat zone. So cool. Okay, so everything is in order. Let's boot up the simulate. Oh, we can't because I can't edit the game. Oh, that's fantastic. Well, that is fantastic. Trust system. That might be it. Dyson Sphere program. Character models. Yep. I think that's it. Modular timers. Look exactly the same. Woo! The beginning of the update! Trust system. Okay, I did it. Today, I fixed the anti-tamper system. Fantastic. That'll probably also help with timer net. Oh, that's cool. Esteban Noob XD, hi. I think I'll end the stream. Well, you know what? Let's do something fun first. Since I can't, let's try it one more time. Upload to Roblox. Nope. I am going to launch Doom. Doom. Your Doom. No. Doom. We'll see if I also have mouse problems in this. Alright, well, I'm kind of done with that coffee. Put it in the fridge. I guess I should push all my changes. Yeah. What? I don't care. I don't care. Why? Why? I'm just trying to play the game, my god. This is my testing level.
Please.
Alright, I gotta make sure that ray tracing is on. Oh. Alright.
You may notice a slight change
You
in the
can
environment.
obviously tell the
Fear
difference,
not.
right?
It's all part of the plan.
The Super Gore Nest location is nearby. This is the site
It's
where
my
the
feet.
invasion began. The oldest and most corrupted location on the planet. The Ark fought hard, but they were eventually driven
That
out
looks
by
so
the
weird.
demons.
YouTube is not receiving smooth streaming. Oh, really? You're stupid. YouTube, you're stupid. I just had to stand there. Alright, how do you like do the thing? You know, like, oh, apparently. Oh wait, would that actually maybe get that? I didn't think about that. Crossbow. that's fast. Woo. He blew up. Yeah. Where'd the... I'm not very good at avoiding damage from this guy. I love how he just blows up everyone around him. Where's the gun? Oops, that's wrong. I died. I don't know the guns. I wanted to switch to the shotgun that shoots the pellet in his mouth, but I just don't know which way it is. I'm definitely gonna play this on stream, but not today. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. All right, I'm gonna do the stream. I was successful. Today, I fixed the anti-tamper system exactly like the stream title says. And it didn't take very long because I sort of knew what I was going to do already. And I had some ideas of how to do it. I also wanted to add... Let me try one more time. Oh! Oh, it might have worked. Let's see. Maybe I waited successfully. It worked. It errored the same way as it usually does. Let's see. Okay, what does it say? No, it didn't update. Yeah, yeah. Huh. So now it's failing the same way that it was before, except... Yeah. Stream end. I can't upload anymore, so I can't really work. Roblox has ruined my I don't have the word. Work path. My workflow. That's the word I'm looking for. So I'm going to need to wait until it gets fixed, which hopefully will be before Monday. Yeah, on Monday I'll be switching to either uploading bots, if that's available, or designing the bot format, or I'll just go straight to server-side verification and see if I can make that work nicely. So yeah, great job me today. Anti-Tamper, you can no longer use the built-in tools to cheat. But cheating is very easy to do in other ways. But that's the job of the anti-cheat and the server-side verification, and not the anti-tamper script. Great. Thanks for watching. You're helping me focus. And yeah, this update is once again closer to completion. Keep up the good work. I've worked